Let's say that you are working with a vendor. So maybe you have a contractor that you really love working with. It's your freelance bestie, and you want to be able to track how much money you're spending with them, kind of. Over the whole year, you would want to add them as a vendor. So you start here in accounting and then vendors, and then you could add a vendor. You can add in their name, contact information. If you want to try, if you need to be able to track their 1099, you can add that here. Then you will be able to use that vendor. So let's see, I've got my virtual assistant set up here. So I've got all of this set up, and then I have created an expense that is tied to this vendor. And you'll be able to see, okay, here are all of the times that I have billed for this. And also, apparently, I've only paid this person one time. So sorry about that, my fake virtual assistant. But here's where I could go in and say, I did pay, and you can select the date. So let's say I paid this one early in December. Then I would be able to accurately see on my profit and loss report, okay, these are the costs for running my business. Here's when those costs came out. Then when you go to create an expense, you have got your vendor here as well. So here are all of the vendors that I have created. So let's say, I'm using this vendor for this expense. Then you would see, let's see, we'll create the actual expense here. Now, when I go over to my vendors, you'll be able to see that expense was created in here. This also gives you a really nice profit and loss report. And again, like I was saying, you can see where those expenses are coming out based on your payments. So tracking your vendors and your expenses should be really easy when it comes to things like Stripe fees. So if you are using Stripe or PayPal and you've got fees that are coming through Moxie, those are automatically going to get created in here. So here are PayPal fees for when I bill using PayPal, and those I don't even have to touch. They just automatically get added as part of the cost of doing business.